all records have been broken in the design and construction of the new Westland Army Corporation monoplane. Only 12 months ago it was just a blueprint, and here's the first public demonstration of the completed machine. It's designed for Air Force cooperation with the Army, for observation, for taking photographs and for directing gunfire. And because its pilot and observer must spend long periods in the air, everything has been designed for their comfort, with plenty of room in a specially heated super cabin. But the most extraordinary thing is the way the machine can almost stand still in the air, and then shoot off again at top speed. Top speed figure is still a secret. It's known to approach that of the fastest fighter. Because of its hovering capabilities, the new machine requires an extraordinarily small space in which to land. And as soon as its wheels touch the ground, powerful brakes check its run. A worthy new machine for the Royal Air Force.
And the Royal Air Force takes delivery of a new monoplane, the Westland Army Cooperation type. Landing lights and the wheel spats are among the new features of this high-wing monoplane, which has an astonishingly short takeoff and a very wide range of speed. Her maximum is comparable with that which formerly could only be attained by single-seater fighters, and yet she can slow up for landing, as our illustration proves. Altogether...
Right, you've got a straight choice. Fly till you know fuel and land, or land it with the fuel in.
Rest of it, because if it gets damaged, she won't be flying again, will she?
No. How long does your fuel last?
20 minutes.
Yeah, so it's going to be a long flight, isn't it? Right, can I suggest you...
I'm just let me just trim the last trim out, and I'll bring her down and get some.
What I was going to suggest was try it with the flaps while it's up there and see what happens. Because it might slow it right down and might just help you when you're landing, if you know what it's going to do. You know what I mean, don't you? Why not Bowser?
Another one?
Yeah, go on. I'm tracking it quite well now. fair breeze up the strip now to what we have had. You're going to try a right turn this time, eh? Yeah.
You need rudder, that's what it is. It's means flying it without rudder.
And you need to turn it with the rudder.
It's such a short
Yeah.
moment on it. Right, I'll try another low pass. Do you want to move off the strip? I'll bring it right.
Yes, bring it to this side and then.
It's not even quarter throttle that.
No, it's really good, isn't it? It's a off. Right.
See how slow she'll go. Bloody big thing to try and get in straight.
Try going further around this time.
What do you mean?
Further around that way. That's better. Oh, lucky. That was lucky.